Hello, good morning. Welcome to Mike's Cooking Studio. I'm Mike. Here we are in my kitchen area, my apartment. I call my cooking studio. Welcome to everybody, all my subscribers. Today is Sunday, July 9th, 2023. It's 11:50 here a.m. on the East Coast in Falmouth, Mass. on Cape Cod. That's where I live. It's a mix of sun and clouds today, mostly clouds right now. I don't think it's going to rain, but it has been very warm, so I've been staying in near the air conditioner as much as I can. Yes, I do have both of them running in the bedroom and in the living room. So today I'm cooking in the slow cooker. I've done this recipe before. It's been a while. It's from my slow cooker companion book I've had for about 4 or 5 years now. These two women in the front, Jenna and Nicole, I don't know where they are. They don't maintain their website anymore. They don't do anything on their YouTube channel. I don't know if they're not business partners anymore or not. Anyway, it's in the chicken section. It's called Chicken in a Hurry, and it is Chicken in a Hurry. It's really good. Very simple flavors to it, not many ingredients. And it gives you the option of cooking 4 to 5 hours and cook on high 4 to 5. I'm going to be cooking on high. You cook on low 7 to 8 hours. I don't even know if it would take 8 hours, but we'll see. So, like I said, a shout out to all my subscribers. I think I'm up to 237. All my regulars, all my long-termers, thank you. Thank you, Bobby Woods, again, for your comments on one of my karaoke's. Thank you. My first cup of coffee. Okay, let's come down off of me now. Now, I'm using my Crockpot. I thought I had a liner left. I don't. I'm all out. I'll have to get some more. Got my chicken all laid out here on my cutting board. Now, I seasoned both sides with some little bit of salt and pepper. So those are going to go in the crock pot first. I sprayed the crock pot. I don't think this makes a sticky mess in the crock pot. I have drumsticks. You could just all drumsticks. I decided to do drumsticks and some thighs. I took the skin off the thighs, the bone in. Same meat, dark meat. One more drumstick. Squeeze in there. Okay, so those are in. Now, in this bowl here, I'm going to mix up the wet ingredients. I've got a quarter cup of packed brown sugar, a half a cup of ketchup. I need my little and there's a packet of onion soup mix in there. A couple of weeks, right, since I cooked last. I think it was in the slow cooker. There's the ketchup. And about a quarter cup of water or more. Give that all a mix in there. Back up to the crock pot. This is all going to pour in. Simply going to pour this in over all the chicken. I gotta get some more of those liners. I thought I had one left. I guess not. So, there you have it. It's all poured in. I'm just going to put the lid on, set this on high. I'll go 6 hours. Now, I plan on making some brown rice. That's just my preference for brown rice later when it gets close to being done. Too soon to do it now. I'll use my little aroma rice cooker. I like brown rice with it. I might do some corn. I'm not sure. I don't have any like corn on the cob. I do it fresh. But so there you have it. Chicken in a hurry. Why they call it that, I don't know. I've done it. Maybe this has been the fourth or fifth time I've done it. Pretty good. I guess if you don't like thigh meat, like dark meat, you could always go with chicken breast. I think the bone-in adds some flavor. Now, I could have seared those first, give it a little more flavor. I didn't want to. It doesn't say to. So, there you have it. My lunch lady close. Safe handling. So, there you have it. I got my Mr. Good Looking is cooking. If only he'd show up and wear the shirt. And hope he doesn't mind me wearing it. So, I'll see you later. And stay safe. Have a good Sunday. And I love yous all. Bye.
Many unbearable hours later.
Hello. Good evening. Welcome back to Mike's Cooking Studio. We're here for the second half of this. The chicken in a hurry in the Crockpot. It's been going for about 5-6 hours on high. It's all done. I checked the internal temperature. It's fine. I've also got some rice going. Had some rice going in my little rice cooker, aroma rice cooker. I put some vegetables in it, a mix of vegetables, and it's brown rice. I love brown rice. So, like I said, it's all done. So, enough of me. Welcome back. It is 6:29 p.m. It's still Sunday evening, July 9th, 2023. So thanks for staying in there with me. And it's come down off of me, come down off the circle. I got a plate out here. Now, I'm just going to give you a taste of this. I'm not going to eat the whole thing in front of you. Now, like I said, I got some brown rice with some mixed vegetables going in my little rice cooker here. Some beans, carrots, peas, corn. That's good. Comes out perfect all the time. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Chicken in there? Looks really good. Smells great in here all day. Now, I was looking up some recipes for this on YouTube. Like I said, the Crockin girls, the one that wrote the book that this was from, they have a video on there. It's pretty old. It's a few years old of this recipe. Now, there are other recipes, pretty much the same ingredients. There's one that she does hers in the oven. So you can do this in the oven. And I imagine in the oven, the skin, she was using thighs, but she took all the skin off. Now, I imagine it comes out, if you're using drumsticks with the skin on, the skin gets probably crispy as opposed to this. Now, like I said, I put thighs in drumsticks. I took the skin off the drumsticks, off the thighs. Makes a lot of sauce, like juice. And the chicken's pretty much falling apart. So you want to be careful of any little bones. Now, I had the option of cooking this on high or low. I had it on high for 4 to 6 hours. You can do it on low for like 7 to 8. But you definitely want your internal temperature of about 160, 165. It's definitely at that. I'm going to take a picture of that plate with thumbnail. It's good. I don't know if it's like, I don't know what flavor inspired. Maybe Hawaii. I don't know. Maybe a tropical flavor. Now, like I said, you don't have to use thigh or drumsticks. Use chicken breast. If you like that meat better. In fact, the next time I make this, I'll probably try chicken breast instead. Really tasty. The sauce is tasty. Rice is perfect. Mushrooms would be a good touch for this. Okay, well, that's it. Pretty good. As always, I'll post the recipe in the description area, like I usually do. And I'll post the recipe and all in the description area. And the link to their video, the Crockin Girls. Give this a try. I really like it. Till next time, I might be on in the middle of the week. I'm not sure. I got another recipe I want to do. I don't know if it'll be in the slow cooker, but thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. I think I'm stuck at 237 last time I checked. Thank you. And so take care, be safe. I love you all. Have a good rest of your Sunday. Bye.